Hi everyone, I'm walking you through the latest release of B4X IDE Companion, version 0.1.334. This update brings a completely redesigned companion dashboard, a full library browser, direct library updates, and a lot more. Let me show you each feature. One of the biggest new features is the Project Resources. It opens the Project Resources panel with two tabs. The Libraries tab shows every library a project references and every library found on disk. Each row shows the local version you have installed and the online version from the B4X Community Catalog. You can filter libraries by name using the search box up here. It filters instantly as you type. When the online version is newer than your local version, it shows as an orange badge. This tells you at a glance which libraries have updates available. The Update button at the top shows a count of how many libraries have newer versions available. The Files tab organizes your project files by extension: B4A files, layout files, images, and so on. Each group is collapsible, and clicking a file opens it directly in the editor. When you click Update, the extension downloads the latest library files directly, less hunting for forum threads to find download links. The library browser is a full-featured searchable catalog of every B4X library from the library mapping in B4X Library Index. You can search by name, filter by platform, and by type, B4X lib or native, and sort by name. In the library browser, each library is represented by a card. You can click README, Forum, Download, Copy Snippet in any of the cards. Clicking a card will display a modal for those library details and display the code snippet for it. We have added functionality to also activate AI agents via Claude, GitHub Copilot, and DeepSeek. You click on a command and then provide the model name to launch. These models need Ollama, Claude CLI, and DeepSeek CLI installed on your machine. Ollama enables developers to run powerful open-source AI models locally on their own machines. This provides a private, offline-capable AI coding environment without relying entirely on cloud APIs. This can be used for fast code generation, terminal assistance, autocomplete, debugging, and project-wide modifications. This hybrid approach allows teams to combine local AI performance with advanced cloud-based reasoning tools to create highly efficient AI-assisted software development environments. Ollama Manager is a management utility designed to simplify working with Ollama. It provides developers with an easier way to install, organize, launch, monitor, and switch between different large language models such as DeepSeek, Llama, Gemma, and Qwen. Click Refresh Library Catalog to refresh the libraries. Thank you.